Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we are in day 11 of the newly planted vegetable garden. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make the labels that I have for all of my plants. And I put them all on sticks so they'll be nice and tall so you can see what you got in the ground. It's nothing hard to do. It takes about a minute or two just to get it done. And I'm going to show you how I did it. Alright, so let's get right to that video. Alright, so you guys seen the video. I have the labels on the stick that's planted in the ground to identify the vegetables so we know what's what. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys real quick how I make that. So first, we start off with the stick. You have a hole puncher, pair of scissors, cable tie, and of course the label. Alright, so all your first thing you do is take and put a couple of holes in your label. Holes. And you take your cable tie. Just run that through the label, through the holes on the label. All right. Got your little loop there. And you just snap it in like that. Tie it down. Take your stick. Just put it through the bottom like that. There you go. There you have your labels that's connected to your stick. Put that in the ground so you can identify your vegetables. And of course you take your scissors, chop off the excess rather, and there it is. Now we have the labels on the stick. Alright, thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.